Hello, here we are today. We're going to cook us some wings. Hello, I'm Chris Adams. We live here in South Alabama. We're just going to talk about cooking. If you hadn't been on the show, just want to introduce myself and just tell you a little bit about there and why we created this show. We're calling it At Home with Chris, and I love to grill, and my wife, if I'm at home, I've got the grill going, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a lot of cooking. We're going to do some gardening here. We're also going to do some potted plants around the pool, and we'll also throw in a few house tips how to take care of your house. So just bear with us and like and subscribe and keep showing up. I found these grill toppers here. They've been really neat. I've tried them last night. I tried some on a different set of wings and I tried some on some fajita meat we was cooking. So it worked out really well. And we're going to use these today. It just makes it easier on the grill. This is my secret blend of spices here. We'll talk about that later, maybe. Can't keep it there. We're going to coat these down really well. And when we turn them, we're going to turn them in a little bit. We're going to also coat them down again, so we get both sides down. As you notice, we got the skin side down to start with. Kind of gets that sear, but at the same time, we're gonna bring it up over. The smoke is gonna roll over. And we're gonna put a little salt in here. I'm not a big deal, but you notice I'm putting up high. I want this just to fall. The higher you put it, the more even it spreads out. So that's the thing is you won't, well, maybe if the wind's blowing, you don't want to get too high. At the same time, we're gonna put a little pepper in here. These are gonna be, we're gonna do these with a buffalo wing sauce after we get done. Lauren's in town and she loves these things, and so do I. So let's put these on the grill, and we'll get to the next step, and we'll talk about our seasoning a little bit later on. Just bear with us a few minutes and we'll come back as we turn these over. We'll do this again, and then at the end, we're gonna show you a finished product. Here we are, we're back. It's time to turn these over. I just come out here and checked them. Look how golden they're getting. They're already getting to that point. And of course, you know, my peach wood has just caught on fire. So we're gonna move these down just a little bit so we're off the fire. Get down here off the fire, and we're gonna turn these over. We're gonna re-season them. So here we go. Let's get these turned over. Man, them looking good. The smoke smells really well. These are 4 pounds of chicken wings we just put on here. And Fresh Market, we'll just even throw Fresh Market in there today. They had them on sale, believe it or not. They don't run them on sale very often, not like they used to during the football season, but this is not football season, so here we are. And we're just gonna flip these over, so just bear with us a few minutes. We've got these flipped over, now we're gonna re-season. Remember, we only seasoned one side earlier. We're about a third of the way there on cooking, and they're looking really great. We're gonna do a little more sear on here. We're gonna do some salt. We got my special seasoning. We're gonna do just a little bit of salt. You see that salt raining down? Just a little bit of salt. And of course, you gotta have the black pepper. As we finish these up tonight, we're gonna put buffalo sauce on them to make them hot. But at the same time, if you don't want that kind of stuff, we just leave them bare, and we have smoked wings. And we have one here tonight that likes smoked wings. So we're gonna put these back in here. We're gonna close this up, and we're gonna go away for about another 30 minutes and let them cook. We got the peach wood going. We're gonna choke this down a little bit here. Keep that peach wood in there. Seems like it's going really well. We're really enjoying the day. It's a beautiful day. So okay, we just checked the temperature just a couple minutes ago. We let them smoke for a few more minutes, and now we're gonna take them off of here. Oh wow, look at those pretty ones. We're gonna take these off. I'm just gonna slide it off. These are really handy, as we were showing it earlier. I'm just gonna put it on my cutting board, and we're gonna take them inside, and we're gonna set them up, and then as we get them plated out, we'll show you what they look like in the finished product. Just bear with us a few more minutes. Here we are, we just brought them in, and Lauren wants some, okay, so we're gonna pick out some flats here. Lauren wants flats. Let me get her about a half a dozen of these flats out. Look how pretty those are. You see those? Can you see those real close? Those are wonderful today. We'll have Lauren check them out and see what they look like. There's, let's go with a half a dozen flats. Those are, they look so good, Lauren. I got that good peach flavor going on them. And she likes, this is Frank's wing sauce, buffalo sauce. So we're gonna make these a little bit of buffalo. If you don't like hot, you don't want these. They will be hot. And we can always put more on. And as we finish up here, we're gonna do the rest. These are gonna be smoked wings. Some of the people in the house like smoked wings instead of the hot stuff, so we're just gonna have smoked wings. And I'm gonna make my plate with some more buffalo wings because I like them hot. So let's just wrap this up until the next video. This is Chris at home.